Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be makeup haul. Before starting this video, I just wanted to let you know that few of the products are from the US, few of them are from Nykaa, and few of them are from Tira Beauty. And I have a bone to pick with Tira Beauty people because that was the first time I have ordered from Tira. But then I have ordered like a lot of stuff, around 10 to 12 products or more. I ordered like Clinique's cleansing balm, which came out to be used. They gave me a used one and I could see it because there were like picked marks on the balm, and they have not it. I ordered it like way long time back and I put a return request way too long ago, and till today it's been almost 20 days and they've not even come to pick up or refunded. And it's just, I don't know, I did not have a good experience for the first time that I've tried Tira Beauty, and so I'm just like, so yeah. Last year completely I did not buy anything, but then all of my products, a lot of them got over, so I'm like, you know what, it's time for restocks and trying new products, because why not? My god. Okay, this is in Victoria's Secret's bag. I saved this bag because I liked it, but then it tore now because of the weight of the amount of the stuff that is inside. Not any particular order, I'm just going to start. So the first one is Maybelline's Fit Me Primer with vitamin E apparently, and I think this is a new, I'm not sure because I've not bought a lot of makeup from quite a while. Such pretty packaging, like wow, so pretty. I don't know if they had primers before, but packaging is really good. Oh, and it's like gonna be like a dewy, and it's very creamy, moisturizing, glossy and shiny. So the next product that I got is Rare Beauty's blush. Now I have used Rare Beauty's blush from, I just started using like last year, around December, and I love it. It's really good. It's really pigmented. I mean, ever since I started using Rare Beauty blushes, I have not at all used any other blush because the pigmentation is beautiful, the finish is too good, the way it looks on my skin is really nice. It gives like a nice plumpy glowy look to my face and I love it. So I have two shades already. I have, I think, Happy and one more, I don't remember, but then I wanted to buy more. So I don't know, Rare Beauty has launched in India, but I don't know, I think it is, I'm not sure, but I got this from US. So this shade is called Grateful and it's like blood red color, and I wanted blood red color because I do a lot of red looks and all of that, and I wanted like a red color blush because I've never had red. I have pink, I have brown, but I don't have red, so I thought, why not get the red one. It's Madagascar Centera serum. It's a skin serum. I have no idea. I heard good reviews, but I'm not sure what it actually does, nor is it written here. Okay, I have no idea what it does, but I need to do a little bit of research like on this. But this was in my wish list from a long time and I wanted to buy it. So the packaging is really pretty. Oh wow, what is this? It's so tight. Ah, I have a habit of smelling everything. Oh, it's very water. Oh my god, is this water? It's like water. It feels like they've just put water inside this bottle and gave, but it's very lightweight, like it's not sticky at all. Next one is Tipsy Beauty. So I did like a collaboration with, and that time it was, I don't think it was that like famous or something, but then now it's going pretty good. The packaging is really good. I like the packaging. It's nice, but this one I bought it by myself. No one gave me for free. So yeah. Okay, so I wanted a cushion highlighter, cushion pads highlighter, and ooh, nice. I'm not gonna use it because I don't know, I have like issues. I just like it to be new. I saw, okay, let me just try. I'm scared. I'm scared. How does this work? Do we have to do something or is it just... The fuck? I don't want to like burst it, like, you know, press it too much and then it just pops out onto my face. Oh. Oh, off, on. Oh, oops. Okay, color came. I don't know why did I. So pretty. Oh my god. Oh, I don't have highlighter. I can just try it on right now. That was way too much. That was also way too much. Nice. It feels really nice. Let me see. The blending is nice. It's a little harsh to blend, I think. But I don't know, how does the silk one work? I don't know if you have to even blend it or not, but on my hand it looks decent. It's like a bronze color. Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. So this one I have used previously already and the reviews are good. I really liked it. Gives glow and it repairs, basically tightens your skin also. So it's good. I've used it, like I finished the bottle with my mom. My mom also used it and she also saw like a good result on this. I already opened. Okay. So, oh, this one was the most hyped one, the Ordinary Skin Barrier one, which is in pink, and I waited for so long for this to come back to stock, and I finally bought it, and I've not used it yet, but I'm gonna start using it. It seems to be working for a lot of people, so I thought, why not try it? Next one is Huda Beauty's Fox Filler in the shade Bombshell. It's a lip gloss I got. Yeah. It's a lip gloss. It's a beautiful looking lip gloss. It's really nice. Oh no, I ruined it. Already I have a Huda. It's actually very much the same. And I got another lipstick. So this is my go-to lipstick. And this is all I use. That's it. It's Huda Beauty's Trophy Wife. I've always bought the big ones, the normal size ones, and they're always expiring way before I can even complete the product and it just gets wasted. I just threw out 3 of Huda Beauty lipsticks because they were big and they got expired because they were almost like 5-6 years old. So I'm like, okay, I can't use 5-6 years old ones now. They got wasted and my heart was just breaking every time I'm putting all of these products into dustbin. So this time I decided that I'll buy everything mini. That's why now you can see a lot of my products that are mini, because I am like, I don't want to buy big size at all, normal size at all, because it's not gonna work for me. It's just waste of product and I don't like wasting. It's really great for traveling also. Plush foldable face razor. Oh, these are the razors that I bought because my razors got over for shaving my face. I've never tried this, so I always was using the basic. It used to come in 3-pack, which is pink, blue and yellow. Yeah, I was using that for the longest time. I just kept restocking, but now I thought, why not use pink, cute and like foldable one, because it'll be neat also. The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor HA. Actually, I used it. I have to go get it now. The packaging, just imagine there's a moisturizer inside. It's a really good moisturizer. This is my 3rd pack. They don't make it in big sizes. Apparently the ones which I need in big, they don't make. Or every time after I use chemical peel, I use this moisturizer because it goes well with it. Like as soon as you put it, it feels really heavy and it takes around like 5-10 minutes to absorb and then it feels weird. I mean, I don't like the feel of it on my face, but I'm just like, okay, it's working, so might as well use it. Who cares? So I bought, what is this? Concealer, I think. Yeah, it's a concealer. It's e.l.f. concealer. Hydrating Camo Concealer Corrector. Seems nice. Very nice. hoping that it's my shade and not like, oh yeah, it is my shade. Nice. It looks, it just blended to the skin. It was here and it was a lot. It's nice that it's my shade. So there's good coverage also and very natural. I liked it. My first impression is, after Tira Beauty's experience, I wanted to check everything before if I could return it or not, if it was used or not. So I was like, I'm gonna open everything. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I have used Too Faced products and I really love them. So I've used their foundation, I've used their concealer, I've used their mascara, I've used their Damn Girl mascara, and I really like. And this one is quite famous. Didn't try it out yet, but mascaras actually just get dried very quickly. Currently I'm using Dior's mascara and it has already dried up and I've just used it for a year. Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I've used that foundation before and this was just a restock. You don't need to use concealer if you're using this foundation. If you're gonna use that foundation, you don't need to use that concealer because their coverage is really good. So you can use only one product, no need to like fill your face with makeup. If that's what you want, then sure. But next one is K Beauty's banana powder, I think. Yeah, banana loose powder. This is also a restock. I've used this already and I love it. Like, I've used Fit Me's loose powder. I've not liked it this much. Huda Beauty is also really good, loose powder. But for in the affordable range, I think this one for daily use especially, this is really good. Huda Beauty's, it's good for events, so to look extremely fresh the whole day. Huda Beauty's is really good. Gives you like a, okay, I did not open it, but it gives you like a really nice matte look. It sets your face really well, it sets your makeup really well, and I use this like all the time. You can use this just as it is also. Okay, this is Indie Wild's hair oil. It was one of the videos in which someone asked me my hair care routine and then I just thought about it and I'm like, I do not have a hair care routine. Like, how sad. I have a routine for everything. My face, my body, my everything. So I was like, hair, I've just neglected it so much and like it's just taking revenge on me now, I guess, by losing a lot of hair. But I was like, I don't have a hair care routine and I need to start a hair care routine. I already have a pretty good oil though, but this looks so pretty. Packaging is damn good. Like, it's so classy and it gives such expensive oil feels and I'm like, wow, this is so cute and it smells divine. Oh my god. It smells really good. I wanted to try it. I've not tried it yet, but I'm very excited to try it. This one is a restock, which is not very aesthetic, but it's the Mama Earth's aloe vera gel. It's a restock. I've been using this for the longest time, I guess, from when it came out. I've just been using this aloe vera gel, but I don't use aloe vera gel on daily basis. This is just for my shaving my face routine. I use this. Previously I used to use it for everything, but then later on I realized I'm tanning for some reason because of this. If I apply this and go out in the sun, I tan. Sugars, it's not cosmetics, it's just sugars. Highlighter in the shade 04. I guess that's the shade, I'm not sure. Oh, it's quite big. What is this? A highlighter, and it's so much. Oh no, how am I ever going to finish? I didn't expect this to be this big, but on the light liquid highlighter. Okay, this looks like a foundation. Oh my god, so one pump is a lot and there's no way you can control this because one pump is going to come and it's a lot. Damn. The shade is good. I don't know, actually I didn't like the concept of a pump. They should have put like a wand because that would be more better for usage wise, because I mean, see, I put out like a little pump now and a lot of product came out and it's just wasted and I had to use this. So This also is a lot. Tipsy Beauties is also a cushion highlighter, but I think cushion highlighter is comparatively way better, and the wand ones and the powder ones are way better than this, because my first impression is not good. I mean, it's the pigmentation is good, the shine is good, no doubt, but the packaging is not so much. Product is gonna get wasted, and there's no point. Next is K Beauty again. K Beauty's hydrating foundation. Yes. The foundation that I'm currently using is Huda Beauty's, and that's the best. But I really thought I should start trying new makeup, because why not? To try a little affordable one, because I bought the Too Faced one also. Too Faced one is almost around 4,000, I guess, 3,800 or something. And this one is quite affordable. It's like 1,100, I think. Okay, it's written 1,300. So nice. Hope it's my shade, because I just eyeball my shades. It feels really nice, really smooth, and I think it's my shade. Hopefully it's my shade. Oh, it's a very sheer. So until I use this on my face, I'm not going to really know. But just by the looks of it, this looks like a very sheer foundation, very lightweight and everyday use. Clearly it's not full coverage, it's medium to sheer, I think. So it's nice if you just want to use it on a daily basis and you want skin to look like skin, then this is a good one. Oh, next one is Nykaa's Matte to Last Long Lasting Setting Spray with Natural Extract. Okay, it's a setting spray that I bought. Nice. Oh, what is this inside? There's like random particles floating. First impression was very fancy. I mean, it looks really, the packaging is really fancy. Gives like a high-end product feel, but it's quite affordable. It's 700. It's a setting spray. It feels nice. Oh, see, it gives very like high-end product feels. The spray is also good. The spray is good. Oh, smell also is very fancy. Okay, see, I have a good like impression on this, except if the particles that are wandering around in this are supposed to be wandering around, then it's a good product. If not, then I don't know. High-end product for affordable price. So nice. These mini blush. Oh, so cute. This is the normal size, and this is like a mini, and it's so tiny. It's in the shade Truth, and this one is Grateful. This is like a violet shade. So I wanted to actually buy this also mini, but then there was no mini in this, and I wanted this shade. Okay, so let me do. Oh, nice. It's like on the camera it's looking very pink, but this is very like Bruce color. Like, it's looking very pink on camera, but this is like in real life, if I put it on, people will think I got a Bruce, I think. Again, Elf liquid eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadow. So I thought, let me try this also from Elf. I'll do a full face of Elf cosmetic makeup look. Nice. I'm not gonna open, my hands really getting dirty, so I don't wanna. But it's a very shimmer, nice. I'm gonna do a video. This one also I removed from the packaging and I already started using because I needed sunscreen and sunscreen got over. This is the pink watermelon cooling sunscreen, hyaluronic acid 50 plus. I already did a review on this, and I did it on a yellow one, but pretty much it's the same. Next one, this is also a restock. It's my go-to lip liner. It's Nykaa Lips Don't Lie. Nykaa's lip liners are pretty good. I don't actually use any other lip liner because I love this and I'm just like gonna stay loyal to this. Next one is Swiss Beauty's Pro Eyelash Glue. Yeah, so basically I have stopped using eyelashes altogether unless it's really like a big event. Shoots also ahead to apply the eyelash glue, which I use from Miss Claire. Miss Claire eyelash glue I went to use and it got expired, so I had to order a new one, and I decided to order another brand, which is Swiss Beauty's eyelash glue, because that one is a tube and when you press it, just excess comes out of it and it all gets all over your hands and it's just really messy. I decided to use a wand one because this is more precise, like you can just with precision put it on the lash and then nicely use it, because otherwise it just gets everywhere and it gets onto my eyes once it went inside my eyes. Nykaa's matte lipstick. Oh yeah, so I got this in the shade, let me just dare and do this, but this is in the I don't know what is the shade, it's not written. 02. Oh, I mean, to be fair, there was already some other lipstick, so I mean, it's not suiting my eye look and everything currently, but it's a pretty shade. It's a pretty shade. Wow, my lips have just become pink now. I shouldn't have tried this, like really. The next one is Jiva Post Waxing Oil. Oh, yeah. This is a very big bottle. I did not expect. This is my first. I've never used it. This is the first time I'm using it. What actually happens is that basically I do my own eyebrows wheat cold wax strips. Now in that strips there's only one oil paper that comes, and once you just use it and it's done and there are no more. I need another oil. Before I was using Nykaa's, it was not actually for waxing, but it was just some oil, so I just used it, but then it used to not remove the wax, so I decided to get an actual wax removing oil. I've gotten this for skincare. Oh my god, they look so good. This is like a hair thing and this is for the hands. So pretty. Klairs Vitamin E Niacinamide. Okay, so it's from Klairs. This is a Korean brand. When my mom went to Japan, she bought this. She bought a small sample version and I really loved it. It worked really good for my skin, so it gave like a nice glow and improved the skin texture to an extent. That one was a small sample, so I decided to get a big one because it's skincare and I kind of use it every day, so I bought a big one and it's pretty good. I'm not gonna touch it with my dirty hands now because skincare is holy. Okay, next one is Huda Beauty's Luminous Matte Filter. What is this? Oh, it's a concealer. It's a restock. My concealer got over, so got another one in the shade Cookie Dough. Really good. Coverage is too good. Makes my skin look like skin. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't give dry skin at all, cakey, not at all. Even if I don't use setting powder, still it makes my face look really good. Huda Beauty's concealers are too good. Huda Beauty's products, I love them. I have no complaints with any of them. Next one is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. Oh yeah, this also is a restock. This is a moisturizer, I guess, but I use this as a primer because it does a damn good job being a primer. Makes your face look poreless and the makeup goes on beautifully after this. Quite expensive actually. Next one is e.l.f. Cosmetics in Halo Glow Setting Powder. It feels like a good setting powder, but of course I'm not gonna know until I use it. Packaging is good, decent. Alright, we have come to the end of this video, which I never thought I would that quick, but edit would know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a random haul of random makeup products, but for the more information on these products, maybe you have to look for the next videos because I'll do a review on each product. I'll be using it somewhere or the other. So if you want reviews of all these products, then follow me on Instagram and follow me on YouTube as well, because there'll be shorts coming out, reels coming out, so you can know the result of these products in some video or the other. It will come out. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Louis, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi.